this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 75th Independence Day celebration. Just 75 years ago, we got independence from the British. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which cannot be described in one day. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. 75 years ago, the British ruled India. They came to India on the pretext of trade and gradually took everything under their control and made us their slaves. Then on 15th August 1947, India became independent after many agitations and battles. Many heroes sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. Now I am going to end my speech with these words. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, respected sisters and teachers. Happy Independence Day to all. My name is Samriddhi Jain.
Hey, do you listen something? Yes, I do listen. Ankles jingling. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sing in the depths of patriotism. Do you know, many dancers have contributed their work and word to the spirit of independence and continue to do so.
And yes, they develop the feeling of being true to the spirit of India.
So here comes a group of girls with their magical steps which will fill your heart with patriotism.
Hello everyone, I Amisha Jain
And I, Priyal Bajaj, wish you a very happy Independence Day.
Today, we Holy Familians are also celebrating the feast day of our beloved principal, Sister Anjali. On this occasion, I would like to thank our dear Almighty God for giving us this great gift of this holy lady who has spent her whole life in accomplishing God's extraordinary mission of cherishing and nurturing young saplings into little young men and women.
It is you, dear sister, that we stand where we are. We heartily and sincerely greet and pray to God for your good health, happiness and prosperity. Thank you, sister, for always being there for us and for all the valuable efforts which you make. As truth covered the lie,
As angel cover the evil,
flower covered the garden, we wish and pray that happiness covers all the worries of your life. A very delightful feast day, dear sister.
ना पूछो ज़माने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछो ज़माने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो बस इतनी ही है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, Proud Indians, you may all know today India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day, which is an auspicious occasion for all of us. India's Independence Day is one of the most important days to all the Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. The case of slavery, India reveals everything that how our forefathers and ancestors had suffered all the brutal behaviors of the Britishers to let India free. Thousands of freedom fighters had laid down their lives. So our country is breathing this day today. So Indians never forget their sacrifices.
लड़े वो वीर जवानों की तरह, लड़े वो वीर जवानों की तरह, ठंडा खून फौलाद हुआ, मरते मरते भी मार गिराया, मरते मरते भी मार गिराया, तभी तो देश आज़ाद हुआ, तभी तो देश आज़ाद हुआ. We cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India. We can never forget the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, who has sacrificed their life just for our freedom. It's because of their sacrifices that we today have a land of peace and happiness, where we can sleep whole night without fear and spend whole day at our home or at school. हिमालय से ऊंचा साहस उनका, हिमालय से ऊंचा साहस उनका, सर जो किसी के आगे ना झुका, मातृभूमि के खातिर किया सब अर्पण, मातृभूमि के खातिर किया सब अर्पण, ऐसे वीरों को मेरा नमन, ऐसे वीरों को मेरा नमन.
Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. The person who has consumed herself to light the darkness in the life of children, it is none other than our principal, Sister Anjali. Now I welcome her to give us her knowledge regarding Independence Day.
Warm greetings to the staff, parents and lovely students. I hope this day finds you in the best of spirits. Every year, Independence Day is celebrated with grandeur, gaiety, fervour and much enthusiasm. This year, the celebration of Independence Day is different due to the pandemic crisis, but the spirit of patriotism is still vibrant on the face of every Indian as our nation celebrates 75th Independence Day today. Indeed, it is a moment of great pride for Indians, as this day marks the hard-earned freedom by our national leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to make our country independent. It is indeed the spirit of freedom and love we celebrate today. The feeling of patriotism for our country binds us as citizens, and we must cherish this unseen thread of love. It's 75 years now we are a free country. We have the largest democracy, and our country has emerged as one of the global power with a significant progress in various fields like business, science, technology, etc. On the other hand, still we struggle with poverty, corruption, caste discrimination, gender inequality, terrorism and whatnot. As long as these social evils are prevalent in any forms or shapes, no citizen can enjoy the true spirit of freedom. It's our duty now to carry this spirit forward, that is the sense of equality, respect for everyone, kindness, compassion, honesty and love. As we remember and pay tribute to our freedom fighters, it's our turn to continue the legacy of doing something great for the nation. Our diversity should not be seen as a weakness, but as our great strength. It is only by working together that we can build a resilient and thriving nation. The national flag, which unfurls today in glorious tricolors, may add more colors of peace, love, joy and prosperity to the life of every citizen. I wish you all very happy Independence Day. Let us salute this glorious nation on its Independence Day. Let us join hands, forget the differences and make the country great. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश पे यारों का कहना, ये देश है वीरों का कहना. मेरा मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। हर कदम अपना करेंगे, हर वतन तेरे लिए, आजा हिंदुस्तानियों के तले, आजा वाले नीले आसमानों के तले, चले चक दे अंबिया, चले चक दे अंबिया, वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम। दुनिया एक दुल्हन दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया।
Dance as a special art form has no bound and can be understood by everyone. Our feet taps on the rhythm of our heartbeat. We dance on the music of our soul, as dance makes us complete, uniting our body and soul. So moving on to this great program, here comes the group of boys with their energetic dance moves to unite our body and soul, and to also show their love and compassion towards the country and their people. So let's welcome group of energetic boys for their patriotic dance.
आ गई घड़ी है देखो सबसे बड़ी, हमसे बस 2 कदम पे देखो जीत खड़ी। हम मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का, अब देखो क्या करता है ये बंदा हिंदुस्तान का, जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं। हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का, बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रैवल और बेस का, ये देख लंबी रेस का। मिट्टी का कर्ज है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा, तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा। जो भी कहा था मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा, इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा। मैं जम के पकड़ झाड़ दूंगा, तुझको मैं उखाड़ दूंगा, जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे गाड़ दूंगा। तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा, झंडा इंडिया का बेटे गाड़ दूंगा।
So as you all may know, it's 15th August, the day when our country, India, was finally freed from the British imprisonment. But due to this pandemic, we are again imprisoned in our houses. This time might be difficult for us. Many people lost their loved ones and many people are still suffering from this pandemic. But we can't lose our hopes. We all have to gather up all our hope and fight from this. We can do it, and from this courage, let me allow you to introduce to Ishika Gautam from class 8 with a beautiful song. So let's welcome her.
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शान गान नदी का प्यार का चमन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शान गान नदी का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन है वतन है वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन है वतन है वतन है वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का नदी का प्यार का चमन
Teachers and my dear friends, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On this occasion, I would like to thank my class teacher for giving me an opportunity to speak about this day. On 15 August 1947, India gained independence. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. So this day marks the celebration of freedom from the British Empire. Independence Day is a national festival. It is also a public holiday. We celebrate this festival with great passion all over the country. The Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag and address the nation with the speech. Celebrating Independence Day is held in India so that the upcoming generations are aware of the sacrifices all about our freedom fighters. So this day marks the respect to our freedom fighters and address the nation with the speech to every citizen of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am playing National Anthem on synthesizer.
Yeah.